Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. And today we're going to practice the different colors in Spanish. En español, hola a todos, me espero que tengas un buen día. Hoy vamos a practicar los diferentes colores en español. Let's start with the color red. Red is rojo, orange is naranja, yellow is amarillo, green is verde, violet is violeta, blue is azul, gray is gris, white is blanco, black is negro, gray is gris, brown is marron, purple is purpura. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias por ver mi video. Hasta mañana. Until tomorrow. Bye-bye. Adios.